Hi, so I'm going to show you how you can add jobs from your WordPress dashboard. So from your WordPress dashboard, you have to click job listing. So if you click job listing, you'll be taken to this page where you have all the jobs listed. You see here we have all the jobs, locations, etc. So to add new job, you have to click add new, and this is your new job page, but we have to write the details. So here you have to write the job headline or the job position. So let me write test job, and here so let me first publish the page and show you how it looks like now. So we haven't done anything on this page, so let me just show you how it looks like now. Okay, so currently we have just the headline and the applied job button. So we are going to put an image and some descriptions. So first let us put some description. So to put the description, you can choose between the headlines and paragraphs. So let me select a headline and write something. So let me write requirements, and let me come down, and here we are going to add some bullet points. So to add some bullet points, you can click from here, but to insert the colored and animated bullet point, what you have to do is you have to click the highlighted shortcodes. Just click here and click unordered list. So click unordered list, and everything is correct here. So just click OK, and you see there are some codes, so just ignore them. Here you can write the requirements. So let me write good skill in Java, communication in English, so you can write as many as points as you want. So let me just update it. Let me update it, and let us see how it looks like now. Okay, so let us just refresh. Okay, cool. So now we have the requirements and some bullet points, but you see the requirements is bit bigger, so let's make it smaller. So what you have to do is you have to select the requirements, and it is currently heading 2, so we can put heading 3. Update it and refresh it. Okay, you see now it looks good. So let us put another bullet points. Let us put benefits. So what you have to do is you have to come down, and so remember we have put heading 3, so put heading 3 and write benefits. Maybe I made the spelling mistake. Yeah, so what you have to do to make the bullet list, you have to click highlighted shortcodes, unordered list. Okay, and these are the points. So birthday allowance, then medical allowance, flexible timing. Okay, so update, and let's see. Just remember, you don't have to write and update every time you put something new. You can just make everything and click update, but I'm just trying to show you the steps. Okay, now you see there is no gap between the the gap is very less between the blah 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 and benefits. So we want to put a gap between here. So what you do, you come here, Okay, it's a new line. You go to elected shortcodes and you create separator, and just type there is the default type is normals, just select transparent and click OK. And now see if we have a gap between the blah 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 and benefits. So let me refresh. Okay, now you see the gap is certainly bigger. Okay, now what we do is we want to put an image just over the requirements. So to put an image over the requirements, you have to, just like Microsoft Word, you have to make space and click insert. So click insert and add media, and you see there are lots of images here. We can choose any one of them, or we can upload new files. Uploading new file is just as easy as uploading anything in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, or you can just drag and drop any image. But let us just for now, let us use some other images. Maybe use this image. So insert, and let us wait for the image to pop up. Okay, so you can align the image from here. You can align it left, you can align it right. You can just make the image smaller, but what I suggest is please keep the image to fit the screen, so that will look good. And we have to do one more thing. We have to create a separator between the image and requirements. We already know how to create separators. Let me just show you why. So let me just refresh it, update and refresh. Do not forget to update. Okay, so now you see we have a gap. If you want to increase the gap, we have to put a separator. So let me just put a separator. Just a moment. Yes, so let me create a separator. Okay, so we have our separator here. Update and okay, so now we have our headline, our image, requirements, benefits, and applied for jobs. So what if you want to add location? Adding location is just as easy. Okay, so you have to come just upward. Okay, so if you want to add location, heading 3, location, and write paragraph. Sorry. Location is Bangkok, or you can just put it here. Okay, so if you update it, you'll see the Bangkok will show up here. Okay, so let me just make this look a little bit good. What we can do is we can create another separator. So this is very easy actually. So just don't watch this video a couple of times. So let me just color this a bit to make it look good. We add the turquoise color. So maybe this one, yeah. location Bangkok. So thus we can create the different looks for here, but we have some jobs left. We have something else to do. We must select a category. So currently we have lots of categories. If you want to create a new category, you have to create add new job category. You have to write the name and you have to click add new job category. So let me just click, and you see this is created. Okay, but I will delete this for you. You can just choose any default category, or you can choose two categories. So let me choose test category for this. Okay, and now you have to choose freelance, full-time, internship, or whatever the job type is. So let me choose full-time, and now you have to choose the location. Watana is it? Yeah, Watana. And this email address must be the email address from which you want to get the CVs. So for this we have Thai support. And if you want to include the company names, you can just write the company names. But if you don't want to show the company names, just do not show. And now we are completely done. So we click update, and our jobs will be shown. So if you want to go to the, sorry, this is not the dashboard. If you want to go, okay, so we have done all the things we could do, and yeah, find jobs. Okay, so now you see we have the test job. And what if you want to make the test job a featured one? If you want to make the test job appear on top, what you have to do is you have to select the, you see the featured listing. If you check on the featured listing, it will be shown on the yellow background. So let me just undo it. All right. So this is how you can create jobs. This is very easy actually, and it looks very good. So okay, so this is all from me. Now please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.